I was starting some like DJ schools myself. It was kind of like a business study for like how I could run a school in electronic music. And then that's when I first heard about Icon, and I was like, oh, this place sounds amazing. I've never heard of this thing before. The alumni were incredible, and some time passed. I was like, yeah, I think Icon is the best option for me. I was in Australia at the time, and I applied for the online scholarship, and I didn't get it. But during that process, while I was applying, I realized like, wow, I actually really want this, and I really want to go there. So as soon as I found out I didn't get it, I was like, doesn't matter, I'm going anywhere, I'm gonna make this work. I think what a lot of people do today is they get too scared to jump. They sit back and they get too scared of all the negative consequences, and it stops them from making any action. Especially like I notice when it comes to music, people are scared of making the wrong choice, so they just don't make a choice. And not making a choice is the most detrimental thing you could do to have a career in music. Once you make that choice, you can always change, you can always move, you can always adapt. But if you don't make the step and you don't jump into it, then you can never get there. If you just sit on the start line and don't take the first step, you're never going to get to the finish.